You know, a lot of lawyers have different ways of organizing trial notebooks, and let me tell you about mine. You know, I've talked about the 5-second rule that when you are examining a witness, especially when you're cross-examining a witness, you need to have things available to you that you can access within 5 seconds or less, or it's better off moving on. So I organize my trial notebooks by witness. And when I have a witness on that or in that tab, I have a summary of the deposition, I have a condensed copy of the deposition, I have my notes in loose leaf paper with 1 point per sheet of paper. When I make and finish that point, I move to the next one. It also, because it's 3-ring bindered, it makes it available for me to take things out and reshuffle or reorganize. If I have an exhibit that I'm going to use with multiple witnesses, I put a copy of that exhibit in every witness tab. Remember, you need to have things available to you within 5 seconds or less. It helps the flow of the trial. It helps juries feel more comfortable. They think and believe that you know what you're doing.